So I thank Tumaini Innovation Vocational Training Center. I'm called Francis Ogele Agembo. I'm the alumni of this institution. I got some teachers, some instructors who came and visited my home and told me that there is an institution that offers some courses. So I came and joined Tumaini Innovation Center, where I pursue food and beverage production. So I take this opportunity to welcome any youth from the community to join this institution and get the skills learned, and also enjoy what we are enjoying now as we are graduating, being the second date of the 6th month of the year. I also thank our supporters from the overseas and within Kenya. May God expand your financial boundaries and also bless your families.